Hey everybody, today is Monday. It's August 5th. It's 2013. I'm in the south central part of Moscow, and it's about 10 after 6 in the evening, and the lens went dark again. Sorry. I can't get a break. We have a rain shower, and it's absolutely beautiful. What I see with my eyes and what this lens is perceiving is two different things. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, look how it's coming up. And I'll try to pan this way. Look down again. This lens is freaky since I did an update. Look how everything is just more beautiful, more vivacious colors after a rain and as it rains. It's absolutely beautiful. Sky, ugly, but look at that. Beautiful. Wonderful. And we're going to get some lightning. I always know it's a good thunderstorm when my Discovery Channel goes out. It lets me know there's going to be a pretty good sized storm. And let me get this, and then I'm going to pan up to the sky. Take a look at those clouds. Pretty angry. And look at the beautiful horizon. Look at that. Wonderful. And there the ground comes back. Very strange how this Samsung Nexus does this. Didn't do that long ago when I first got it. Look at this guy. Okay, everybody, take care of yourselves.